Good afternoon. This session I'll define its skip distance and virtual height and relationship between the parameters, definitions of ionosphere wave propagation. Here, previously I wrote all the statements which I required for explanation here and skip distance. Here consider this point is, and here I'm just presenting this point. This point is transmitting antenna, and this transmitting antenna signal radiates into free space and travels. Here, the refraction of electromagnetic waves takes place and, and returns back to the earth. Let us assume somewhere here is there, but we reached here itself. The point our electromagnetic signal is reaching at a minimum distance from the transmitter at which skywave of given frequency is returned to the earth. See, from the ionosphere, this wave is returned to the earth at a point of B. And hence, this minimum distance at which skywave of given frequency is returned to the earth by ionosphere layer is called as skip distance. And another definition is a minimum distance from the transmitter, minimum distance to a point where a skywave frequency is first received, where a skywave frequency is first received, which is defined as uh, skip distance. And in general, skip distance formula is this is a direct formula. In next class, the next videos, I'm going to explain how this we got and this skip distance and all. And this is 2h root of f frequency maximum usable frequency divided by critical frequency and whole square minus 1, where h is the height from the height of the ionosphere layer and maximum usable frequency, this is a critical frequency, and this d skip means escape distance. And next one is virtual height. Virtual height is defined as Virtual height is defined as, see already I wrote for your understanding. Now consider this is a transmitting antenna and this is a receiving antenna, where transmitting antenna radiates signal into space and reaches to the ionosphere layer and refracted and reflected back towards the receiving antenna. But and this virtual height is defined as the height to which radio wave sent vertically upwards, means this the definition here, height to which radio wave is vertically upwards and this wave is reflected back to the earth vertically by the ionosphere layer, means this straight line distance is called as virtual height. But actual height is, here our electromagnetic signal is reflecting back by the ionosphere layer because of ionization density, because of refractive index of ionosphere layer, and this signal is returning back towards the receiver. And this is the original height, actual height of the our electromagnetic signal is traversing through ionosphere layer. And whereas this virtual height is defined as the radio waves sent vertically upwards and this wave is reflected back to the earth vertically by the ionosphere layer. That height is called as virtual height. So we'll consider only virtual height. Why? Because we can write a mathematical equation. Mathematically, we can analyze the process very easily. Instead of if we consider actual height, we are not able to apply the mathematics on it. Therefore, next relationship between maximum usable frequency, critical frequency, and D means a skip distance, and H is the height of the ionosphere layer or virtual height, and this is see now here I'll take another color here, which is okay, light green. See, this is a transmitter and this is a receiver. Where now transmitter antenna vertically I am sending upwards and reaching this point and reflected by back to the reflected back towards the receiver by the ionosphere layer. And so therefore, this is the incident angle. This is the incident angle of our electromagnetic signal onto the ionosphere layer. So let us assume this is a minimum distance between a transmitter and receiver, and this minimum distance is d, skip distance. So therefore, as we from the basic definition of virtual height, this is the height of the ionosphere layer where our radio wave is reaches to the maximum point in ionosphere layer and reflecting back vertically that towards the edge side. And this is h. So from this we can write a mathematics here. What is cos theta? Cos theta I is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So we know this value. This is a what is this? Opposite. This is opposite angle for this angle. This is adjacent for this angle, and this is, it becomes hypotenuse. So from this can be written as cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means h square plus d by 2 whole square. This becomes h square and d by 2 whole square. So cos theta, and this becomes 1 divided by, this is under root of h comes inside, so it's become 1 plus d by 2h whole square. D by 2h whole square. If we further simplify, this is 1 divided by under root of 1 plus d square by 4h square. D square by 4h square. So we know that maximum usable frequency and maximum usable frequency. This is cos theta I, but secant theta is 1 by cos theta I. So 1 by cos theta I is equal to, this is 1 of 1 plus d square by 4h square. D square by 4h square. Therefore, maximum usable frequency MUF is equal to FC secant theta I. So therefore, FC is same as it is secant theta into secant theta. This is 1 plus d square by 4h square. This is MUF, f of MUF. So from this, if we simplify this, f of MUF divided by FC is equal to 1 plus d square by 4h square into, if we make a square of this term, squaring on both sides, this become f of MUF divided by FC whole square is equal to 1 plus d square by 4h square. So now this becomes, now the equation becomes here d square by 4h square is equal to f of MUF divided by FC whole square minus 1. 1 comes LHS side. So therefore d is the skip distance. This becomes d square is equal to 4h square into f of MUF divided by FC whole square minus 1. And if we root on both sides, this becomes d is equal to 2h under root of MUF divided by FC whole square minus 1. This is the relationship between skip distance, maximum usable frequency, and virtual height and critical frequency. And this is d is the skip distance, FC is the critical frequency, MUF is the maximum usable frequency, and h is the virtual height. And this is all about sky wave propagation and their explanation and their individual definitions. Thank you so much.